Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today we're looking at this Minneapolis-Moline. I don't know much about these motors, and honestly, I am 99% sure that this thing is probably double my age. If not like 3/4 older than me, whatever it is. But this is a Minneapolis-Moline. If you know anything about this motor, like how old it is, anything that we should be looking at to make sure we keep this in tip-top pumping form and fashion. I replaced the points on this thing. We rebuilt the water pump, new coil, spark plugs are coming soon. We had to order those. Alternator was replaced about 2 years ago. Starter has been replaced. And this is pushing, I believe, it's about an 18-inch pump, I think, maybe a 12-inch pump down there. But a Minneapolis-Moline. Don't know much about this thing, but we need to keep it running, especially with winter coming up really soon. If you know anything about these engines, please give me some pointers, some tips. Let me know what we should be looking at. And again, we got to keep this thing going as long as we can. And hopefully I could get you guys to help me out with some tips and tricks on this thing. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. I will be keeping you posted on the maintenance and everything on this engine. So Minneapolis-Moline, old AF motor. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful, if not entertaining, video.